Hi, I'm Dilraj. I'm an apprentice assistant buyer. I'm 19 years old. I live in Coventry and I work for Severn Trent. So on a normal work day, I'd get up, have a shower, get dressed, have a bit of breakfast, scroll on my phone. I work in the procurement department in a section called asset maintenance services. We source out goods and services to make sure that the business runs its daily operations. So an average week of me being an apprentice, I have a study day where I do my online learning. I go into different sites and actually looking at what we need to buy. So looking at the different parts, speaking to the operational team.
You got it? Yeah. See these ones now?
We have over 8 million customers and we supply them clean drinking water. How tight does it have to be? I wanted to do an apprenticeship because I knew that there's plenty of opportunities that you get offered. You get to speak to internal employees, you get to speak to different organisations, different companies. An apprenticeship is where you have a job, but you're also gaining a qualification on the side of doing a job. Every day is never the same. You get to go out to different sites, but alongside that I'm doing my study work, stuff like going on different training courses, develop my skills. The biggest surprise of being an apprentice is how involved you get. You're not treated as a student, you get treated as a full-time employee. You have a lot of responsibility, which is a fun thing because you get hands-on experience, you get to go on site tours. I really love nature and I've visited places like Ben Nevis, Mount Snowdon. One of the great things about working for Severn Trent Water, I'm not stuck in an office environment. One of the things that I look towards the future is potentially look after my own contracts. It sets myself goals and objectives that I want to reach. There's a common misconception that the only way to get a job in the future is to go into further education and then apply for a bunch of jobs until you land one. And that's not the case. People should really understand the different routes to get to where they want to be in the future. I feel as I've boosted my confidence skills. I've grown as a person from when I started to where I am now at my apprenticeship scheme.